it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the best beetroot hummus. This hummus has beetroot in it, and the beetroot is a great source of potassium, vitamin C and iron, but also it has a wonderful taste and a beautiful color. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we're going to start off with 2 cans of chickpeas. So I'm going to add these chickpeas in. I've already strained the water out, so yeah, just make sure you do that. 2 cooked beetroots. I'm going to add a very important ingredient, which is tahini. So this is a roasted sesame seeds blended up. 2 to 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to add 3, but if you don't like the strong taste of garlic, then you can add less. Some salt to your taste. You can also add some more afterwards if you don't feel like there's enough. And some pepper is also key. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. By the way, I'm using some extra virgin olive oil, and that's the purest. Also, I'm just going to add a splash of water. Now, I haven't added too much, but if I need more, then I can add more. But remember, the more liquid that you add, the more runny it will be, but depending to your preference, you can make it more thicker or more runny. It's really up to you. So for today's hummus, I'll be using my VITAMIX E320, and you can find the link in the description below. However, you can use a food processor and that will be absolutely fine. So just add this to your motor, then add your tamper and blend. Now at this stage, when most of it is blended, you'll need to add some lemon juice. I'm just adding a bit here. This will give it a nice taste and will help it last a bit longer. Alright, now let's put this into our bowl. Alright, now let's give it a little swoosh to make it look nice. Right, so now I'm going to add my olive oil, but I'll also give it that extra kick because you can't have hummus without some olive oil. These 2 are optional, but I've got some fresh basil here, but you can also use parsley. Sprinkle that on top. Just top it off with some sunflower seeds. You can also use some sesame seeds. It's really up to you. Just be creative and do what you want. Going to dip it in. Let's give it a try. This is absolutely delicious, rich, creamy, and there's nothing better than this, and that's why it's always great to make things at home. You can have this as a snack, for example, with some carrots, some red peppers, and other vegetables. Or you can also have it with some pita bread and many more things. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do want to see any more cooking videos from me, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as to click on the notification bell, because then you'll get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Alright then, bye!